Over 100 actors ready to bring screams and shouts to people in Utah. KUTV photographer Kennedy DeRate takes us there.
We try and touch on all the fears, from fear of heights to dark places to monsters and creatures and spiders and all kinds of things like that.
This is actually my second season doing this. People come here to get scared and to have fun doing it. And so when you do get a good scare and you see a big old smile on their face and people laughing and joking with each other, that's the most fun part.
We have Brett Wagner here, who is the lost Leatherface from the Texas Chainsaw Massacre movie series.
I do the first kill in the movie called the Kemper kill with the sledgehammer, then slamming the door shut. Speaking with some of the actors, they're all pumped up. These guys come in here in 3 or 4 hours a night, scaring the folks.
It's just like a really big family.
We come here sort of to escape whatever's going on in our real lives and just to get together as a family and just do this thing that we all really enjoy together. It's spooky season, it's scary season. We're all out here enjoying this cooler weather and scaring people.